Fine. Now we are going to discuss about the concept of wind, air, and cyclones. Wait for 2 minutes. Our friends may not have joined till now. So many are not joined till now. Yeah. Just a minute. Yeah, I hope you all have completed our electrical circuits and as well as the symbols. All these components are completed or not? Yeah, yesterday we already discussed the question and answers also. Match the followings and up to 12th bit, whatever the question answers are there, everything completed or not. I hope you all are completed. Now we are going with our new lesson. Yes, today and tomorrow the time is there for us. Okay, now yes, most probably on Monday or Tuesday also we have the time for our discussion. Yes, for us and for our examination purpose. Yes, and we have the discussions up to Monday, Tuesday also possible to do for this lesson. So up to date, whatever we completed, we have to go to complete for it. Up to that it will be comes. Okay, clear or not? Yeah. Now the question, my question is actually what is the requirements to leave for you? What is the requirements to leave for you? What is the requirements to leave for you? Yeah, what we require for living? For living purpose, we compulsory require that air is required. Okay, clear or not all of you? Food is required, shelter is required. Clear or not all of you? Without these things, it is possible to live properly? No, it is not possible to live properly. Okay, clear or not all the students? I hope you got it. It is not possible to live properly without then it is not proper to live without these things. So, in that our lessons we already discussed. In our first lesson we already discussed about the whatever we are taken a food and what the components are there. Then after we are discussed about our animal fibers are also we are discussed. Okay, clear or not all the students? Nothing but it will be give the class for us. In our 6th class we already discussed habitats. That also we are discussed. The habitat means what actually? It will be give about a shelter. Okay, clear or not all the students? It is about our shelter actually. Yes, my side is everything clear. Once check yourself. Anyone is have any problem? There is a what we are consider now. Yeah, there is a now we consider very essential thing. Okay, the remaining things are may given time for us without that also for living purpose. Okay, now remaining things like what? Food. Okay, now and 1 or 2 cloths are enough to live. Okay, now clear or not all the students? Food, and food is also sometimes food is not there. It is possible to live. Water, it will be may 1 or 2 days without water also may possible to live. But which one is essential for us? One is the essential thing is there for us. What is that? Yeah, that is only what? Air. Clear or not all the students? I hope you got it. Air is an essential thing for us. Without air, how much time you are may possible to live without air? Yes? How much time? Maybe half minute or 1 minute or 2 minutes or maximum 3 minutes. If you go with the yoga sometimes, okay, it will be takes a what? At last 5 minutes. Okay, clear or not all the students? Maximum 5 minutes is only possible. Okay, that's why in this our 8th lesson we are going to discuss about our air. What is the air? Where it is available? What is the properties of air? Okay, that is only we are going to discuss in our lesson. And as well as next one is about wind. Okay, now air is only convert in the form of a wind, and this is only form convert in the form of a cyclone only. Clear or not, all the students? It is only in the form of a what actually we are considered cyclones. Got it or not? Yes. First we are going to discuss about air. What is the air? What is the air? What is the air? Yeah, there is around us, there is so many components of the air. Clear or not, all of you? Yes? Air is nothing but only single gas? No, it is not a single gas. It is a combination of a different gases. Okay, clear or not, all of you? There is somewhat difference is there, Nana. What is the difference is there between air and gas? Yeah, gas is the individual. Air is a mixture of the gases. Okay, clear or not, all of you? On our earth, there is so many gases are there. Okay, hydrogen, nitrogen, okay, and oxygen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine. Okay, so many gases are there. Carbon dioxide, single atom gases and diatomic gases, triatomic gases, like that so many gases are there. You know very well, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide. Okay, now clear or not, all the students? So many number of gases are there. But on our earth, there is a what? Hydrogen gas is a more, then after oxygen, then after carbon dioxide, like that. You know very well about these percentages. Okay, clear or not, all of you? And as well as the nitrogen gas is also there. Okay, now on our earth surfaces. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Yes, different. There is both are different. On the earth, on above the surface of earth. On the earth, hydrogen is a more. Compare with the nitrogen. Okay, clear or not, all of you? The individual things are called what actually? The individual things are only called as gas. The mixture of these gases. Clear or not, all the students? Mixture of these gases are only called what? Air. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Yes, yes. Now, how it is influenced our life? Yes, how it is important for us. What is the properties of that our air? That is only we are going to discuss in our 8th lesson. Clear or not, all the students? Yeah, there is once go through page number 73. Okay, page number 73. What is there in a page number 73? Yeah, there is a given one of the situation they are given. What the situation they are given? When we ride this bicycle, okay, na, yes, into opposite to the air, how you feel? Okay, it will be somewhat harder than the what actually? It will be somewhat harder than the with the air. When there is a air is moving in one direction, you also move in that direction only. Yes, at that time easily we are moving. But when you are moving opposite to the direction of the air, at that time what is going on? We are how to give more force on bicycle. Clear or not, all of you? Then what you understood here now? What you understood now here? Air is giving force on us. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Not only force on us, it is a giving. What it is giving? It is giving force on all the bodies. Actually, one thing, where we are living according to our idea, where we are living on a earth. Okay, clear or not, all the students? We are living on the earth. What is there? Where the earth is there actually? Yeah, above the earth, what is there actually? Atmosphere is there. Atmosphere, nothing but what? The mixture of these all the gases and dust particles and the remaining all the things. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Yeah, actually we are living inside the 300 kilometers of the depth of the air sea. Air sea. I hope you understood. Yes, water sea, water ocean. You know very well. What it will be contained? Totally water only. Okay, clear or not, all the students? I hope. Spelling correct, try it. Okay, here there is a what we are taken. Here we are at the where it the air sea. Okay, there is suppose it is the earth we are consider na. Yes, clear or not all the students? Around, above the earth what will be there up to 300 kilometers. There is it is a totally yes covered by which thing? It is a totally covered by air only. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yes, and on the surface of earth also somewhat air will be there. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yeah, already in your 6th class you already studied about the water. Okay, clear or not all the students? Already you studied about water. Okay, clear or not all the students? And now we are going to discuss about our air. Got it or not? And now in this hour, yes, what is a situation is a given here. That is only the first total in a first page. What is a given here? There is a simply they are given about the what is the property of the air when is a moving, when we are moving in a air with the bicycle, that will be opposite. Guess what is the reason? What is the reason? Yeah, we are moving in one direction, we are opposite to the direction of which one? We are opposite to the direction of air. Automatically air is giving pressure on us. The first property, how you feel air is there or not? Yeah, it is a pressure only. Okay, suppose once check it out, total air will be removed from our earth. What is going on? Total earth whatever removed from that our earth. Yeah, first thing living things are there. There is a they are taken oxygen for the respiration purpose. They are made died. Okay, clear or not all of you? One more thing. If there is a no air for a one man, okay, now oxygen is there, but air is not giving a pressure on us. What is going on? Why our blood is undergoes the pressure in our body? You know very well, there is a humidity is occur around us, automatically will get sweat. Why? Because, okay, clear or not all of you? In case in one particular room there is a not a proper air is going on, what is going on? Okay, clear or not all of you? Any relation is there between the atmosphere pressure to our body pressure? Yeah, everything will be, one is related with another one. Okay, clear or not all of you? In case there is a no pressure is there, our totally blood will be comes out from our body. Around us there is, in case the pressure is not applied on us, the air is now applied a pressure on us. Already I am given that statement to you, where we are actually, we are at 300 kilometers of the depth of the air sea with the high pressure. Clear or not all the students? Yes, that pressure is working on our body also. Okay, clear or not all of you? Because of that only our blood is undergoes also pressure only. You know very well when how the BP is checking. Okay, clear or not all of you? There is in that instrument we are giving the pressure on our, I hope you know very well, when you got a fever, at that time when you go for a doctor, at that time they checking the BP of our body. What they are doing? They giving the pressure by using air, or otherwise they are making by their mouth. Okay, not now. They are using the what? Yes, there is a whatever the machine we are used for it is contain a what? One glass bulb, one gas bulb. When they pressing that bulb, that through the pipe, okay, where it is attached to our hand or anything, it will be given a pressure. From that one, what you know? Yeah, there is a what? When they are giving the pressure of that gas, that is equal to our body pressure or not? Okay, now actually we feel that that is giving pressure on us. No, our body is only giving the pressure on that particular thing. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yeah, Spandana, it is not a correct thing. During the classes you don't ask about examination. Okay, clear or not? So many times I am reminding you, during the classes I don't want to give any irrelative answer to you. Okay, exam is already online. It is announced by our management. This is time of examination, same as like a FA2 only. The multiple choice or questions are coming in the mobile only. Examination is there for all the and English. It is in the examination. It is in our mobile only. Okay, now clarified. Now situation we are consider our body is a contain a pressure. Yes, and as well as that pressure is related to our atmosphere pressure also. Got it or not? Yes. Then when there is atmosphere pressure is equal to our body pressure, at that time only our body pressure may sustained equilibrium. Otherwise it is not equilibrium. Okay, clear or not all of you? More heat will be there. Okay, at that time automatically our body temperature is increases and automatically body pressure is also increases. Actually we are going to testing our fever. Why they testing the body pressure? Yeah, due to that fever any change in the body pressure, compulsory will get the pressure will. Okay, when there is a fever will be get for us, automatically body pressure also may changes. First they used the thermometer, then next we used the sphygmometer. That is only, it is a measure the pressure of the body. Clear or not all the students? Yes. And why? That all the symptoms are okay, at that time only they medicated for us. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yes, why? Because you get now one more thing. When there is a temperature is increases, air is a changes its a property. Got my point or not? When the temperature is increases, air is it itself it is a changes its a property. I hope you know very well. Then when the where the air is there, the question is in our lesson, air is a where actually? Where it is air actually? Yeah, there is a air is everywhere in that our universe. Correct or not? Everywhere in the universe? No, not total on the universe. The universe is a contain large of the space as a vacuum. Universe, I am not tell as a earth. I am not given as a earth for you. Total universe is a contain air. No, it is not a correct nana. Total universe is not contain earth. Air. Somewhere there is a air is not there. Okay, now that is, air is not there, it is called a vacuum. No substance, not only the air. No liquid, no gases, no solid. That is only called a vacuum. Okay, now, but on our earth, everywhere the air is there. Okay, clear or not all of you? In case there is no solid, in case there is no liquid, compulsory it is filled by which thing? It is filled by air only. So many examples are there for you for this. Yeah, once check it here, once open your cap, pen cap. Okay, with you there is a pen cap is there, open your pen cap. It is a contain air or not? It is a contain air or not? Yeah, now it is a contain anything. In this one anything is there? Your answer is nothing will be there, sir. It will be not appear for me. Yeah, it is there air. How? When you are make like this, the sound will be got for us. Who is given that sound? Air is only given the sound. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yeah, now there is a when you clap it. Okay, when you clap it, how you will get that sound? Who will make the sound? Air is only. Okay, clear or not all the students? So many applications are there. When you take one tight, you take one bottle. Okay, clear or not all of you? Tight it with the one cap, and once you dip that is in the water of bucket. Okay, clear? It will be dipped inside it? No, it is not possible to. Why? Because there it contain air. You know very well in your 6th class topic, that is a what? Substances. Okay, in that property you know very well, there is a what is the sink, what is the float. When it is a sink, when it is a float. Based on the densities, there is it is a float. Which contain low density, it is a float on high density substances. Okay, clear or not all of you? Here water is a high density thing. Yes, air is a low density things. When you try to dip it is inside it, it will be comes out. Okay, clear or not all of you? I hope you all the students you are go for a swimming, at that time you wear the what? Yes, air tubes. Yes, for your wrist you are wear the air tube. Why you are wear the air tube? Yes, why you wear the air tube? Air is floated on the water. Okay, clear or not all of you? Here when you look at a tight bottle, it will be what actually? It will be not contain anything, it is not appear for us anything. Okay, now what then? How it will be floated in the water? Because of it contain air inside it. Clear or not, all the students? Yeah, that is only air actually. Air is a contain everywhere in case there is a no solid, no gas. Sorry, no solid, no water or no liquid. In case the liquid is there, there is a not possible to contain air. Actually, liquid is nothing but like a water also it is contain a air or not? Tell me, water contain air or not inside it? Yeah, it is a contain air. In case air is not contained inside the water, how our aquatic animals are living inside the air, inside the water? They are contained, oxygen contained and hydrogen contained in the water. Water formula is what? H2O. H2O is nothing but hydrogen and oxygen. Inside the water is also contained. Okay, now, but when we are taken a liquid, okay, it will be not getting in the form of air. Okay, clear or not, all the students? It is not directly look as in air. Got it or not, all the students? I hope you got it. Then one more thing, one of our student may ask, what is the density? Density is nothing but number of molecule for area, number of molecule for volume. That is only called what? Density. Suppose in your class there is a 19 girls are there, as 22 boys are there. The boys density is called more. Same place. There is a this side is a 5 benches are there, that side is also contain 5 benches. Okay, na? Yes, in the 5 benches there is a 19 members are there. In that 5 benches there is a 22 members are there. Here it is called, yes, high density of boys. I hope you understood. The density is nothing but number of molecule per area. Okay, got it? You know very well. Air is a contains some properties. Maximum air or maximum gases are not contain a color. Okay, clear or not, all the students? And as well as they are not a container taste, they are not a container color, they are not a container shape, they are not a container value. Clear or not, all the students? Why? Because when the air is enter into one container, it will be get same shape and size of that particular container. Clear or not, all the students? I hope you got it, this information. Yes, in your 6th class only it is completed. Okay, clear or not it is? In a 7th class also we have this component, na? Yes, yeah, not a 7th class, in a 6th class only. Substance and its properties. In that one we have here. And as well as air is a contain very distanced particles. One particle to another particle, yes, they are arranged highly distanced from one another. Means one is aparted from one another, compare with the liquids and as well as the solids. Okay, clear or not, all the students? I hope you got it. This is all the information. And now there is a once go through our textbook. What is that there in our textbook in a 73 page? There is a what is there? Yeah, sometimes the wind is a cold and sometimes it is a pleasant and nice. It can blow clouds and sometimes rises dust. It is sometimes gentle but can really strong too and blow away things. We have read in a 6th class that class drive faster on the windy day. Write 5 examples from your daily life that you feel are influenced by the wind. What is the wind then? Yeah, air is nothing but mixture of gases and it will be occupied all the spaces. Then what is the wind? Which one is called a wind? Wind is different from air? No, it is the air only, but which is a move from one place to the another place. That is only called wind. The definition of wind is what, Nana? When there is a air is moved from one place to the another place, that is only called a wind. Okay, now every time air is moves from one place to another place. No, suppose you take a balloon. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Tied the balloon. That is called what? That is called wind. No, it is the air only. It will be okay located on one particular place only. That's why it is called air only. In our lungs, it is called a wind. No, it is called air. We are breathing air or we breathing wind? Air only. Wind is nothing but should it is a compulsory move from one position to the another position with some velocity, with some velocity. Then you tell me, when you feel a wind here, any 5 applications or 5 examples. Okay, how you feel that? Yeah, anything will get in your mind? Yeah, there is, you may get in your 6th class also one of the topic is there. What is that? Yes, separation of a substances. In that one technique is there, winnowing. Okay, you know very well, winnowing means what? Separated the grains from the dust particle by the flat plate. Okay, by the in our agricultures. At that time wind will be comes or not? Due to the wind only there is a whatever the grains, weighted grains are at some particular place. Whatever the husk it will be there, it will be go away from that grains. Clear or not? All the husk or dust, that all the things are go away from that. Okay, clear or not all of you? And as well as when you go nearby the beach, at that particular place what will we get? Wind will be touched with our body, not a beach. When you are go and stand at nearby the lake or otherwise nearby the big lakes or otherwise a river, at that time the more wind will be get from that evening time, will be get a more wind. Okay, clear or not all of you students? Otherwise, whatever the fan is revolving, at that time there is whatever the thing will be get, it is called a wind or not? Yeah, it is also called wind only. It will be moved from that place to here or not? That particular place to here or not? There is sometimes there is a wind is a contain very high velocity. It will be traveled somewhat lakhs of kilometers or otherwise a number of kilometers. Sometimes it will be traveled only somewhat small distances only. Okay, clear or not? Or example for it, monsoons. Okay, you know very well. Monsoons are nothing but which wind is moving based on the sessions. That is called monsoons. You know very well. We have the what actually? Yes, 2 types of monsoons are there for us. Okay, clear or not all the students? Northeast and southwest. Okay, clear or not all of you students? Southwest and northeast monsoons are there. What is that monsoons? The monsoons are nothing but in that particular session the air is moving here. Okay, clear or not all of you? And you may observe at the time of the during the rain. Okay, now clouds are moving. How it is possible to move from clouds from one place to the another place? Due to the wind only. Okay, clear or not all of you? Like this, so many examples are there around us. Okay, now yes, and as well as already as on our textbook whatever they given. Okay, now clear or not all the students? At the windy days there is our dry class or sorry wet class are become dried. Okay, now who made it is? That wind only. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, air is nothing but air actually never the air is become what? Stabilized. Air is compulsory move from one place to the another place. Okay, clear or not all of you? But it is moving with somewhat velocities. Yes, that is only called yes wind. I hope you got it. Okay, clear or not all the students? Air is nothing but it is a mixture of gases. May it is stabilized at one place or may it is moving from one place to the another place. That is only called what? That is only called what? Yes, air. But wind compulsory move from one place to the another place. It will be moved as one place to the another place. It's generated due to the somewhat a tree. It is generated due to somewhat any other reaction. Okay, now it will be started where at particular place and it will be moved through it. You know very well, so many examples are there. Incense sticks. Okay, they produced that whatever the air, but it will be not stabilized on that particular place where it will be started. At that particular place only there, incense sticks. Incense sticks, when we are burn the incense sticks in front of the God, the total room may get the, what actually? The total room may get a smell, that good smell, pleasant smell may get for us. Clear or not all of you? And as well as there is a mosquito purpose, there is a whatever we burn the coil, that will be also spread out throughout room now. Okay, clear or not all of you? That's why there it will be what actually, yes, that is also works as a, yes, that is also works as a wind. Okay, now so many examples are there. Okay, now it is my thoughts. Okay, now yes, according to you may there is get you so many examples for you. I hope you got it. Then next come to here, let us do one. It is there. What is there? Where do we find air? Okay, you take a one paper. You take a one paper. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yes, that paper is try to dip inside the water. It will be dip inside the water. Okay, paper. No, first initially when you dip it will be comes again. Okay, now throw the water and it will be floated on the water surface. Paper. Okay, initially. After some time it is sink with the water, absorb the water, it may dips. Okay, inside it. And as well as like that, whatever we discussed, one cap is closed with the one bottle is closed with the cap. Okay, clear or not all the students? And it will be dip inside the water, it will be may again floated. Okay, clear? Yes, and this is only the indicates about actually where there is a gap will be there, where there is a no solid, no gas, no liquids are there at that particular place, compulsory occupied by the air. Everywhere air is there. Okay, clear or not all of you? Our conclusion is what? Air is at everywhere. Okay, yes, this is only the students, and tomorrow we will go with the remaining concept. Okay, now with our experiment observations, different experiment observations we are go for tomorrow, and I want to go through revision now of our first 3 lessons. Why? Because no time for us now. Yeah, there is the first 3 lessons are what they are for us. First one is the food components. Okay, clear or not all of you? How to check that food components? Okay, now yes, what is there in a food components? Okay, clear or not all of you? Food components are nothing but what? Yeah, the food contains inside it somewhat minerals, vitamins, carbohydrates, oils, fats. These all the things are there. That is only called a food component. In that first lesson, we already have so many experiments are there for us. What is that experiment? Checking the fats, checking the yes, whatever the starch it will be contain or not, fiber it is a contain or not. These all the things we are checked in that. Clear or not all the students? That is only we are discussed in that. The questions may come for you. How to check there is a, it will be contain a fiber or not. It will be contain a oil or not. It contain a vitamin or not. Like that examples are there, experiments are there. Once check through our video already we are concluding our videos classes at that time with somewhat experiment, iodine experiment and oil paper experiment. Okay, we already concluded about that experiment. Once you go through that experiments, and as well as we want to check the fats inside that, protein test purpose, we have to take copper sulfate, okay, granules, and through that copper sulfate granules there is we have to check the proteins are contained in a food or not. Okay, like that there is you have to go to testing of food items and what it is contained inside it. And roughages, you know very well what is the use of roughages. There is a what it will be used for the removing the constipation problem. Okay, clear or not all of you? That is only, yes, and as well as which one is called the, yes, balanced diet, and what is the requirement for the balanced diet, that is also there in our first lesson. Once go through this all the things, for today you go with the revision of first 3 lessons. And next to come to the acids and bases, all the students I am given number of experiments for you at that time. Okay, for the acids and bases, once check that lesson video, how to convert a blue litmus into the red litmus, and how there is a, what is the properties of acids and bases. Okay, clear? We are taken a different number of items, and that items are how it is a changes for the blue litmus and red litmus. So many experiments we are, number of series of experiments we are completely completed. And what is the physical properties of acids and bases? What is the chemical properties of acids and bases? Yeah, already you know very well why we are getting the burning sensation during the nest when the ant is a bite for us. Otherwise there is a whatever the honeybee is a bite it. You know very well what, why? Because it is the folic acid is there in the whatever the trunks of that particular ant. Otherwise that honeybees, and that's why only there is a what we are used the toothpaste, and because of making the neutralization. and as well as you know very well methyl orange and phenolphthalein. These are the special indicators of acids and bases, how these are the working. Okay, I am shown already to you. Okay, now once check through that all the experiments, you get it that all the things. Okay, clear or not all the students? Very important that indicators, how they works and what is the properties of acids and bases. And next to come to your our third lesson. What is the third lesson? Okay, now yes, what is the third lesson? Animal fiber. Already we are discussed about that animal fiber. Yes, and what is the animal fiber? Yeah, there is a silk and as well as the wool. Okay, both are called the what? Animal fiber. Okay, we are clearly discussed it. Once again, once you observed our video, okay, then after you read it. Okay, clear or not all of you? For the revision, now you have the better opportunity. In case there is a physical classes are going on, at that time also may not have this much of opportunity to you. Why? Because already completed classes again with you only. Okay, once check in that videos, you will get again the same class for you. Okay, now during the revision, when you are get any doubt, once check with my video, you will get it that answer for you. Okay, clear or not all those students? Yes, the same class now how the class is going on, that is again available if you are missing at that classes also. Okay, once check through that classes, you will get the idea. Okay, now for that one also. There is about first thing is how the silk is a get from the silkworm. There is a 4 steps are there mainly. Okay, collection of eggs and afterwards it's a converted as a cocoons. Afterwards there is a what we are taken, it is under to weaving. Okay, now how to we go with the weaving. Okay, these all the things are there. Okay, then after how to convert, how to collect the wool, and there is a one flow chart is also there for the collection of wool. Okay, now we are used the different scissors. Okay, now afterwards we collecting, there is a what we are taking the separation of the wools from the dust particles and bleaching. Okay, now cladding, like that there is a so many things are there, combing. Okay, these are all the things. Once you check it out, you'll get that information. The names are important, the process names are important. Yes, collection process and as well as the convert it is into the yes cloth, that all the components are very important to you. Once check through that, today you have to complete first 3 lessons, then tomorrow we will go with the 4th and the 5th lessons revision and our continuation of our lesson. Thank you students, bye, take care.